Good evening, all. Ira Epstein, and here we are with your metal market wrap-up. And this wrap-up is for the evening of Monday, and it is the 25th of August, 2025. I'm later than normal, but it's summer, doing different things, finishing up different projects for myself, and time got away from me. That's just the honesty. Let's talk about a few things you're going to get. Tomorrow, you have durable goods orders at 7:30, the Red Book retail sales 7:55, at 8 o'clock, the Case-Shiller 20 home index. So that's going to occupy the first part of the morning. Then the Richmond Fed's going to give us their monthly manufacturing index. The Conference Board will come out with their consumer confidence index at 9, and we finish up with petroleum numbers at the end of the day. Now, as I understand it right now, the president is saying he is firing Lisa Cook, the Fed governor. I was just reading it on a news flash that came across. And he's changing the Department of Defense to Department of War. That would be his other thing that he would like to do. So, they're even talking of putting his face on Mount Rushmore. Please do not let that happen. I've been to Mount Rushmore. Leave it alone. I have nothing more to say about it. Leave Mount Rushmore alone, please. Now, I want to remind everybody that we have a holiday coming up, Labor Day. And before I get into anything, let me get this for you. 1/3 off any of my courses and 1/3 off any of my subscriptions. 1 year or the 3-month. We don't have 30-day subscriptions any longer. So this is a great chance for you to get into the swing, see what's going on in the spiders, the stock market, the futures market. It's everything that I do. The season's kicking on. It ends Labor Day. So you want to get this done before Labor Day. How do you get it? You go to iraepstein.com. You can click on any of the cursors here. That'll take you there as well. Okay? All right, and you'll learn to do just what you see me doing here with you all the time. Let's get over to these charts if I could. I think I'm blind tonight. There we go, 1, 2, 3, and there we go, the fourth one. All right, I have no idea what happened in the past 2 hours. The gold market opened at 34.10, dropped to 33.96, and soared right back up $8 as I'm talking to you. I can tell you this, I had clients on my subscribers, they were buyers today in the gold market here. I don't know if you did it or didn't, but the recommendation got filled. The silver market is only up 3 cents. Copper's basically unchanged, but platinum's trying to come along with the gold and go higher. We saw the dollar whipsaw traders. You were up, as you know, dramatically. Actually, let me say this right. You were down dramatically in the dollar. You came back up today, so Friday down, today up, and now you're losing again, and you're getting bids in a number of the different currencies at this point in time. So it'll be interesting to see if any of them can hold it, what they're going to try to do. You've got a little bit of everything. You're down in the energies as well. When I look at the gold, as long as you can stay above this 18-day average on a closing basis, I'm in the bull camp on it. When we look at the action, you can see what's going on. I mean, this is all over the board right now. So here you're getting an outside day up at this point. I'm going to use the word at this point because I don't know what it'll do. When I was doing these bars, I would have had that there. Not how it looked. It was just not moving that way. This all happened, I'm telling you, in the past 15 minutes. You can see you're above all the key averages. So if you get another outside day up, you just had one, add to that, why can't the market try to advance? A potential target, doesn't mean it has to go there, is the 34.71.5 zone, and the support's 34.10 now. That has moved up from this morning, and momentum is trying to go up. So trend up, bias up, market target, and you don't want to take out Friday's low at this point. We don't know what kind of outside day we'll have today other than one is on the table. When we look at the gold-silver ratio, it's still under the 18-day average. Silver is losing a little bit to gold. We just saw that. And the reason is you're already up to that upper Bollinger Band. You're just coming off the top of it, which is very different than where you were in the gold. In the copper market, remember I said I thought you were going to drift into that 18-day average. You've absolutely done it. This will start broadening out this trading range. We'll have to dump that. It's just what tariffs did to the market, surprises by the president. And as you can see in the platinum, you've got a narrow Bollinger Band. You're hugging the 18-day average of closes. You're void of a trend right here. It's just back and forth. There's so many markets that haven't come alive. Gold's got everything going for it, from inflation, from the Fed saying you have a few inflation that's going to accumulate and they're not going to fight it for a bit. Why wouldn't gold go up on that? And the question is, firing of Miss Cook, what does that do for the U.S. dollar? Maybe that's what moved the market just now. Fed Governor Cook. As you can see in the dollar index, you're just hugging that 18-day average. It's difficult right there. And that's what my special report said, that this would be a difficult trade right now, and it's exactly what you're doing. So we'll see which way that all comes together. Remember, you can take advantage of the 1/3 off at this point. The sale that we have will go until, I wish I had done this right, the sale will go until September 2nd, 1/3 off any of the courses, 1/3 off any of the different 3-month programs or the 1-year programs. When you're in there, you just slide. There's a button. You slide it 1 year, 3 months, and it switches back and forth. The cursor's up here. It'll take you right there as well, too. I'm Ira. Have a great day. I'll catch up with you in the morning and in the videos, the other ones I'm going to shoot right now. You take care.